Click on Keys from the sidebar. By default, you can find one client key which you could share with your clients, and also one server key which is used at the server-to-server level connections. A server key can have read access, write access or restricted access. In restricted access, you can provide custom access to different APIs. A client key can have read access, write access or restricted access. In restricted access, you can provide custom access to different APIs. Now to create a user, copy the server token. To make an API call for creating a user, let us use Postman. Create an environment in Postman, and save the server token as a variable by appending bearer. Make sure that the initial value and current value are the same. Update the variable and also the environment. Now in the API request header, pass the created environment variable as value for authorization key. In the body, pass the required user fields along with values. Click on Send to make an API request. On successful creation of user, the response consists of all the user details. Copy user ID from the response, and save it in the environment variable. In the Generate Client Token API, make sure that you are using the same user ID for which you need to generate client token. In the body, pass the client key and TTL. By default, TTL is set to 86,400 seconds. Click on Send. In response, you get the client token. Copy client token from the response, and save it in the environment variable by appending bearer. Use the GetUser API. In the API request header, pass the client token as value for authorization key. Click on Send. In the response, you can see the information of the requested user. Use the Update User API. In the API request header, pass the client token as value for authorization key. In the body, use Patch to update the user information. Click on Send. In the response, you can see the updated information of the requested user. To destroy the client token, use the Destroy Client Token API. In the API request header, pass the server key, and in the body, pass the client token which you want to destroy. Click on Send, and the passed client token will be destroyed.